I don't know. I don't want to talk about that, you know. I'm fed up with that. The referees get away with you, with the English press, always, no matter what they do. You have watched the game last night. You couldn't read a line about it today. So nothing will change. So we have to deal with that and to live with that. You can listen to every interview I said, and I stick to everything I said without any problem. I'm 35 years in football. I know what I say after a game, and I stand up for what I said. No problem.